Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I will show you how to splitting, trimming, arranging clips on the timeline. So to do this, let me just import other files. Let's say this 3. So let's say I want to use this image after this. So these are images, but I want this image. I want to use this image at the here. So just drag and drop it here. So this is how you can arrange your footage like this. Now let's say I don't want this image for a long time. So let's go after a few frames and then make a cut. So to split, you can click here, split, or you can press Ctrl plus B. Let's say if you want to delete this, you just click here, delete. Okay, let's say I want to cut here, but I don't need this option, this part. So what you have to do, just click on here or press W from your keyboard. And let's say if you let's say you want to delete this part and you want to keep this part, so just drag the marker here and just click on here, delete, or press Q from your keyboard. So that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.